We came to Izakaya. It's a Yuzu Izakaya in Berlin, and we're having amazing lunch. Just want to show you a little bit sneak peek of it. So we have some really good food here. It's chicken wings, very fresh salad, and then this was shrimp, and this is also shrimp, right? And this is chicken bowl. Looks so good. We have the drinks here. Looks very good. Browsing around, came to Smeg showroom, and it looks so beautiful. There's a collaboration with Dolce & Gabbana. Let's talk a little bit about IDYL Jewelry pieces. So the recent piece that I received is this little attachment down here. You see how pretty is that? I'm absolutely in love. It's my second purchase. So this stud in the middle, this is also from IDYL, and yeah, so not the first one, the second one. These are from IDYL, and this little attachment I bought very recently. So whenever you buy something, they gift you something, like not every time probably, but different time of the year. So I always wait for the special offers. I got a little pouch here, and it came really nicely. I wanted to do the unboxing with you, but because it was taking a long time to sit down and talk about it, I started using it. But I'll just show you. It came in this box very nicely. So yeah, it was nicely packed here. Came in this box. I will try to add here so you can see exactly the unboxing part. So I did not sit down and do it properly, but I did one time. Like, there was very nice sunlight, and I was just trying to catch the sparkle. It sparkles so much, but in camera it's a little difficult to show the sparkles, so I just wanted to have the sunlight. So if I find the video clip, I'll put it here. And they send you a little note, which is very nice. So I bought it during a 20% off. So different time of the year, IDYL actually gives you some discounts, 20% off. And also the time you make purchase, if you have account with them, they add point, and with those points, that actually turns into credit. So when you make a purchase, you can have a discount from those credits. So it's like two discount does not synchronize together. So when you buy, when you have 20% off, you can use either one of those. Okay, so if you have good amount of points, you can use this. I really love this pouch, really so nice and squishy. I got also another gift with this purchase. So let me see. Okay, so I got this as well. What a beautiful pillow like little pouch. And in here I actually got nice little pieces to wipe your pieces. With that also came this little shine serum. So this is a shine serum for the jewelries, and this is called a brightening jewelry cleanser for everyday shine. I'm just so happy, and this actually works really well. So these two together. And then something in here. Okay, so I got a little brush. Wow. So I believe this is also for jewelry cleaning, probably. Yeah, so fantastic. So these are the gifts, and also 20% off, which is very good. I really want to work with IDYL. I don't know, I've never heard from them. I really have shown interest to work with the brand, but not really heard yet. I see a lot of influencers work with IDYL, and because I love this brand so much, and the brands that I love, I really want to work and showcase their items to my audience, right? So one day, maybe we'll work together. I'll be very happy to do so. And this is another pouch that I have. Coffee fell here yesterday. I have not washed it yet, but I will of course have to wash it. Hopefully it will just go away with a wash. I'm just hoping. It made me really sad because these pouches are my favorite. This one I got during the time I bought my ear cuff. You saw my ear cuff before. It's a cuff with a chain, which also goes with these studs. So with these studs you can have different kind of attachments. These are the modular jewelry. So one time you buy the stud, you can buy different attachments and add, and it gives you so many versatile options. Also, I got this little pillowy pouch with that previous purchase, and they gave me a little IDYL mirror, and this is so cute. So that means every time you buy something, there is a probability that you get some sort of gift. So that is why I love IDYL so much. I'll try to show you the that ear cuff that I have. So sparkly, so many compliments. I think I have received the most compliments for that ear cuff, and this one also, like both of these. Really, I am planning to add some more items in my collection, and they're obviously lab grown and very extremely sparkly, high quality diamonds. So really wanted to share that with you. Hope you can check their website and find something that you love too. So here we have some LilySilk pieces, and I'm so excited to see these, and you see how beautifully they came packed. Very nice. So we are going to unbox it and see it together. Okay guys, so I just love LilySilk pieces and love to do unboxing together. Couple of pieces, I'm so excited about this. Let's see, let's start with this. We have 3 pieces, and also I got a little charm or something, I forgot, little gift here. We're going to also see this. So first, let's open this. Wow. So this is how beautifully LilySilk pieces arrives all the time, and I know how much you love seeing these unboxings. So here you go. This is a very basic piece that I got. It's a very nice black. It's a very nice black silk shirt. You see, it's very basic, but I think it is really going to be a favorite because just look at this. So silky, so beautiful. Okay, so this is the first piece that I have. Definitely going to try it and show you, but this is it. Black long sleeve shirts or t-shirts. These are, I always keep buying it because I use them a lot, but never really find a perfect one. So I think this is going to be really nice because it's body hugging, it's long sleeve, it will make you look slimmer. I love things that will make me look slimmer. Now we have the next piece right here. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Everything is coming so nicely. I'm not good keeping the package nice, but yeah, we open this. Look at this beautiful PJ set. This is a PJ set. Definitely LilySilk is expensive, but the quality, I think 2 years back I bought 2 cashmere sweaters, and they are the best. And before that I bought something. Every time I bought something from LilySilk, I'm obsessed. Their quality is really high quality, really comfortable, and I think once you wear LilySilk pieces, you don't want to go back to anything else. It's so beautiful. And look at this color. I really wanted a PJ set that looks this coffee brown, and this is so soft. I'm so happy. Very much hopeful that I'm going to look good at home wearing this. Definitely will wear and show you, but let's do the unboxing things first. Okay, so now the last piece. I'm very excited about this because this is one of their most popular pieces. But before opening that box, I wanna see the gift. Oh, look how cute is this little gift. Let's see. Oh, look at that. This is a little brooch. And this is so cute. Thank you, LilySilk. Love it. This is a very precious little gift. Also really looking forward to work with LilySilk in the future. I just really want to collaborate with them. Let's see. You never never know when it's happening. I just want to work with all my favorite brands, you know. I'm very lucky and privileged to work with many favorite brands. I am just working years after years, but there are brands that I still don't work and really dream to work one day. This is the biggest package that I received, and so this is one of their sweatshirt, and it's a chocolate brown, so beautiful. I did not buy the set, I just bought the shirt because I already have so many different brown, you know, sweatpants. Maybe I can match with them. If not, I'll go and place an order, but for now this is the sweatshirt. And I really love how beautiful the chain detailing is. You see the chain detailing here, and the color is a perfect brown. Oh, this is so nice. Yeah, so that's a little LilySilk unboxing for today. I hope you really loved it. Jacket, you can wear it on the top of anything or just wear it itself. Oh, look at that, the color. I love it. It's just so beautiful. What do you think, guys? I think this is just absolutely beautiful, this color. This is so, you know, lightweight, like very comfortable. So glad I made a purchase, and I love this open front, so you have, you know, the access to open and close easily. And well, there's no pocket here. I wish there was a pocket, my hand's just going there, but yeah, it's so beautiful. I love the style, really nice. Let me know, you guys, what you think about it. Also remember, all the links will be down below in the description, so you can directly check the links and find it for your purchase if you love it. This silk top definitely has to be my favorite black silk top that I ever tried. So comfortable, it's so cooling, it has a cooling effect when I'm wearing it. It's full sleeve, but it has a cooling effect, perfect for summer days. I think any day. So beautiful, so comfortable. Just cannot. So happy. I can say I'm very happy with my LilySilk purchase that I made. So comfortable, so beautiful. And this chocolate brown PJ set, definitely I can tell one of the best PJ sets that I ever had. Look at the detailing, the back, this detailing is so beautiful, very nice. Definitely you will be seeing me wearing this, coming to you guys in front of the camera, talking a lot. I will try it another time, not just right now, but definitely a perfect size. For the size, I received a size small, a size, I think small. Yeah, it's a US small size, that's my regular size, and it looks exactly perfect, and the shape and everything, the material, fantastic. Really enjoyed my LilySilk unboxing with you guys. Let me know which piece is your favorite. Are you going to grab it? And of course, all the links will be down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and just place your order. Okay guys, going to end this video here today. I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.